Hey guys, thanks for checking out TrueSons.com. My name is Carl, I'm the founder. In this video today, I'm going to talk about who TrueSons is for and how to choose the right shade. So it's for guys who want a subtle look, it's for guys who want to dye, it's for first-time dyers. It's pretty much for everyone else. As long as you have 50% pigment in your hair or your beard, you can use TrueSons and it'll make the process a lot easier. It's especially good for dye virgins because it's a multi-use can. You can apply it a little bit at a time, so you can work your way up to having full beard or hair color. Now, most guys who dye today dye wrong. They try to give 100% coverage. And basically, that look is pretty dated and doesn't really work for most guys. Guys, you want to always maintain a little bit of gray in your hair just so that it looks natural, so that it's easy to maintain. And TrueSons is designed so that you can use it on a regular basis over the course of a month. Multiple applications, single bottle. Our master chemist spent over a year developing 7 unique shades that are designed to look really natural and not to have any weird undertones so that no one can tell you dye. So the 7 shades, the darkest shade that we have is True Black. If you're African American, if you're Asian American, if you're Black Irish, True Black is going to be the color that you want because it works on coarser, cooler, dark hair. Be sure to use gloves when you're using True Black. Our next shade down is Brown Black. It's a little bit warmer than True Black. Latin guys tend to like that color. Again, it goes a little bit cooler, a little bit darker, but not quite as dark as the True Black. As with most things in dye, less is more. Dark brown is our most popular shade. It's the shade that I normally use, and it's a good dark brown color. Medium brown is definitely lighter. It's for people who are fairer, who are lighter and warmer, and it's really a good shade for guys who have fairer skin. Light brown is really a shade for ex-blondes whose hair has turned a little bit darker. Our dirty blonde shade is for the blonde, people who really are blonde. They're the Ryan Goslings among us. And then auburn is for those rare 2%ers, any gingers or strawberry blondes, use the auburn shade. Remember, it's really important to choose the right shade, not to cheat it lighter because you're nervous about going too dark. Choose the shade that's your right shade, and if you're nervous about going too dark, just use it for less time. That's the beauty of TrueSons. It's doing the subtle work for you. And with TrueSons, you can use the same product on your hair, if you have any, on your beard, and even on your chest hair. You don't need a different dye for different parts of your body. That's just marketing and people trying to convince you to buy more stuff you don't need. If you're not sure about what shade you need, if you're not sure how long to leave it on, if you have any other questions, email support@truesons.com, send us a selfie. We're there to help you figure out exactly how to dye right. And remember, it's just hair, it's gonna grow back. You don't have to be nervous. Let us know how it goes. I'm Carl from TrueSons.com. Thank you so much for dyeing with me today. Cheers.